Hi guys, my name is Sherika Beamon and I'm a realtor with Tafel Realty International. And today I am meeting with Miss Andrea Fripp of Movement Mortgage, and she's going to tell us a little about her industry and about what the current market rates are doing. Hi Andrea, thanks for being with us today.
Well, thank you for having me, Sherika. I appreciate it.
You're welcome, thank you. I really just wanted to kind of talk with you a little bit.
Okay.
Tell us a little about what the market is doing currently.
Well, I think a lot of people are focused on the interest rates right now. And even though rates are still at a historical low, they are creeping up. And the reason for that is the economy is getting better. So therefore, the rates don't need to be as low as they have been for the past 2 years. So actually, I know it looks like it's not a good thing, but the fact that they are kind of going up lets us know that the economy is a little healthier than what it was 2-3 years ago.
So do you suggest now being a good time for people to buy homes now?
Absolutely. As I said, rates are still really low, historically. So yes, absolutely. The market is strong. And so yes, I say that now is a good time to buy. And it's still also a good time to refinance, depending on what kind of interest rates you have and the type of loan you have. So now is also, time to think about actually doing a refinance if necessary.
Speaking of refinancing and loans, can you tell us a little about the loans that you offer?
Okay, so of course, I do your traditional loans. So that would be your conventional loans, FHA, USDA, but we also have really good renovation loans. So let's say, for instance, you're buying a home or and it needs some work, or you want to refinance and do some work to your own house. Mm-hmm. And one product that we really have that I like that we're rolling out is our jumbo loans. And so for those who are buying homes on the higher end, higher than the $648,000 that conventional loan limits allow you to go to, we have really good programs, really competitive interest rates, and we also have really good programs that focus on the medical community, so doctors, nurses, things like that. So sometimes their pay is a little different, and so yes, we have programs that focus on those doctors and those medical professionals that would really help them to actually get into homes as well.
Okay. Could you tell us a little background about yourself, or maybe how you got into being a mortgage loan officer?
So I have been in the business for about 25 years, banking, finance, mortgages. So I've been around for a while, seen the markets do different things, yes. But I've hung in there and I've stayed because I really like what I do. I like the fact that I get to meet so many different people with so many different situations and circumstances. And at the end of the day, I get to help those people and those families to get into, new homes, some of them, first-time home buyers. And that's really what makes me happy, that, I get the opportunity to help a family move into their forever home or their first home.
Which is always exciting.
Which is always exciting. And so yeah, it's just very rewarding.
Okay. Mm-hmm. Can you tell us a little bit about the areas that you service, the communities that you service?
Sure. I actually am licensed in South Carolina, North Carolina, and Georgia. Okay. So for any of your mortgage needs in those 3 states, I can take care of it. And and so I'm looking to expand, but for right now, those 3 states is currently where I operate.
Okay, well, thank you so much. This has been a pleasure.
Well, thank you for having me.
Any tips that you have for anyone looking to purchase a home right now?
So I think my first and biggest tips would be you really need to know what your credit looks like. Even prior to coming to me, you need to have some idea, or any other lender for that matter, you need to have some idea as to what your credit looks like. And so, your credit, your down payment ability, things like that, those are just really big aspects to the whole financing process. So I would say that before you even start looking, or you even start looking for a lender, maybe have your credit pulled, my free credit, my annual credit report. Yes, so that you have an idea as to what's out there on your credit report. In case there are things that are reflecting that are inaccurate, you can go ahead and start working on those things, and have them fixed. So I say tips for the home buying process is definitely know what your credit situation is and know what's reflecting on your credit report.
Thank you so much. And can you tell the people how they can get in contact with you?
Absolutely. I can be reached at, my cell number is area code 803-404-9412. My website is www.andreafripp.com, and by email is andrea.fripp@movement.com. So any of those three ways, please feel free to reach out, and I will certainly answer any questions or help you any way that I can.
Are you on social media, say Instagram or Facebook?
I am actually, yes, just Andrea Fripp, no fluff or anything like that, just Andrea Fripp, Facebook and Instagram. So please check me out, follow me, and I would greatly appreciate it.
Ladies and gentlemen, that is Miss Andrea Fripp, and this concludes our interview for today.
Thank you again.
Thank you.